How can individuals report human rights violations? If you've witnessed or experienced a human rights violation and are wondering how to report it, you're taking a crucial step towards seeking justice and promoting human rights. Here's how you can do it. First, it's important to understand that there are several avenues through which you can report human rights violations. One of the most effective ways is through the United Nations, UN Special Procedures. These include special rapporteurs, working groups, and independent experts who monitor, advise, and publicly report on human rights violations. To report a violation to the UN Special Procedures, you can submit individual cases of human rights abuses directly. You can visit the UN website, specifically the page dedicated to special procedures, where you'll find links to submit individual complaints and urgent appeals. It's essential to provide detailed and credible information, as this will help the UN staff analyze and investigate the situation thoroughly. When submitting your report, make sure to include all relevant details such as the names of the victims, the dates and times of the incidents, and the actions taken by the authorities. The more specific and objective your report is, the more compelling it will be. Avoid using legal labels or characterizations. Instead, describe the events as they happened. Another way to report human rights violations is through human rights field presences in organizations. These entities prepare various types of reports, including internal and public reports. Internal reports, such as interview reports and incident reports, are used to communicate information within the organization or to its headquarters. Public reports, on the other hand, are part of a broader reporting and advocacy strategy aimed at engaging the public and advocating for positive change. When preparing a report, it's crucial to structure your facts clearly. Use a chronological order to describe the events, and divide the facts into sections to make them easier to understand. Be clear and specific, providing details such as places, names, and times. Support your facts with evidence like witness statements and corroborating documents. If you're filing a legal claim, the process involves more detailed legal writing. Clearly identify which right you claim has been violated and explain how the facts establish this violation. Use simple language and avoid legal jargon to ensure your arguments are clear and persuasive. Structure your document logically with a lead paragraph, introduction, and separate sections for facts and legal arguments. Civil society representatives and human rights activists can also work closely with UN Special Procedures by providing continuous information and analysis on specific concerns. This collaboration helps in advocating for change and ensuring that governments respond to allegations of human rights violations. In summary, reporting human rights violations involves submitting detailed and credible information to the right authorities, whether through UN Special Procedures, human rights field presences, or legal claims. By following these guidelines, you can help bring attention to these violations and work towards justice and human rights protection.